What's up, pretty gang? So, look at this. I got my first ever Influenster box. It just came in the mail today. It's the box, babe. I'm gonna do this really quick. Hair freshly blown dry. So I'm not gonna have time to do it tomorrow because I gotta work tomorrow. So, do it now and edit it and have it up for you guys sometime tomorrow. Hair straighten my hair. You see this. I'm gonna test all these products individually and let y'all guys know what I like and what I don't like in this box. It's the box, babe. This is my first ever box, you guys. OMG. My hair is a hot mess today. I just washed it. See, I need scissors. Oh my gosh. Seriously? Excited. This is my first ever free influencer box. Boss babe. There's the front box. Okay, let's see what's in here. Let's see. Even temporary color spray. It's temporary color spray. And it's blue. Temporary color spray. Blue pigments. Let's see. Of course, Greek yogurt foaming cream cleanser, all skin types. Oh, look at that. Ooh. So purifying charcoal. Y'all know I like my charcoal clay mask. So that's a clay mask. Uh-oh, another vibrant, another temporary color spray. It's purple. Purple, yeah, it's purple. I might actually try that. And then OMG, hair, skin, and nail gummies. The Nature's Bounty. I love these. I actually do. My sister actually has her own. So I have my own now. Yay, thank you. I think that's it. Yep. That's it. The Charmaline Temporary Color Spray. The special delivery for Taste of Home. Taste of Home is giving you one free box valued at $80. Use promo free SD. Ooh, I'm gonna have to try that. So you guys can see that. And then the Natural Greek Beauty. Greek yogurt foaming. That's the cleanse. And then I gotta do all this. That is my first ever vlog with you guys. OMG, I'm so excited. Can't wait to try all these products. Because I know I love me a good face mask. And the hair, I'm kind of excited to try the hairspray, the temporary spray, especially the purple. Because those that don't know, purple is my favorite color. So, yeah. I'm excited. I can't wait. So, thumbs up this video. Shout out to Influencer. Thank you for my first ever free box. It's the Boss Babe box. So, can't wait to test these products out for you guys and let you guys know how I feel about them. Alright, so thumbs up this video, subscribe if you're new and you're watching me for the very first time. And I'll see y'all in my next video. And I will look good. You're gonna be put together. Okay? Okay. Pretty game out. Bye.